Alright guys, so this is a quick inside test of my car. It's a really rainy day today. As you can see, the streets are getting flooded, so this is a good way to kind of test out the mic since you can hear everything, and test out the camera on a really dark, gloomy day on the LG Stylo 4. So it's supposed to have stabilization as well from what it says, but wow, look at these streets are flooded. Whoa, shoo-hoo-hoo. But I'm gonna stop recording because I can't see jack. Hey guys, so this is the rear-facing camera on the new LG Stylo 4. So as you can see, it's recording 1080p. Very good. It's supposed to have some kind of stabilization. So let's see how well it records. So we're gonna go down these steps. It's a really dark, gloomy day here. It's been raining really bad. Just managed to get out. So let's go ahead and record. So I'm going down these steps. So let's see how well it records. If it's shaky or anything like that. Let's say this is a rear-facing camera test. As you can see, a lot of wildlife, so it does seem like it takes a lot, not a lot, but a little bit to focus. So here's some close-up flowers. Let's see how well they look. On my screen it looks kind of dark. But I don't know. Here's some water right here. Like I said, this is the rear-facing camera. So let's go ahead and walk around a little bit more here in the park. See how well it does. You can see they're pumping out the water out of this pond. It's just overflown. Let's see if we can zoom in. Nope, you can't zoom in. But overall, it looks nice. Definitely wanted to kind of come here and walk a little bit. So let's see how well it does if we start jogging. As you can see, there we go, we're jogging a little bit. Any some more stabilization? I don't know. Like I said, there you go, some birds. Pretty okay, definitely. Hopefully it doesn't start raining on me, you know. Check your body. Hey guys, this is a front-facing camera test. Video recording on the new LG Stylo 4. It's 5 megapixels. So yeah, let's go ahead and see. Now put some of the specifications on the bottom, but I'm just walking, seeing if there's any kind of stabilization or anything like that. Kind of show you some of the plantation out here. Looks pretty cool. Like I said, this is my local park. It is kind of flooded. I don't know if you can kind of see it back there, but it is pretty flooded. So let's see how well it records in really good you know, lighting. Let's see if there's any kind of stabilization if we're running. Hopefully I don't trip and fall. But nah, I think we would be okay. So let's see how well it looks. On my end, it looks okay here in the viewfinder. So I don't know, like I said, it's pretty good lighting. Kinda hate this little thing how it's like that. But there's the park back there. Let's say it's not bad for 5 megapixels, right? Hopefully the colors come out good, and like I said, this is the front-facing camera. Alright guys, so now we're doing a front-facing camera test, 5 megapixels, recording HD. Let's see how it looks if going up these stairs that we came down from earlier. So you can see there is some dark areas there. So like I said, this is still the front. Hopefully it looks okay. Very nice, people walking their dogs. Pretty nice.